Welcome to the Y Schools webinar. I'm Stephanie. I'm the International Promotion Recruitment Manager for Y Schools. Y Schools as a plural, as you can see, because it's a group of several schools, and you can study with us management, tourism, and design among the three schools that are SCBS, the School of Tourism, and the School of Design in Troyes. I will develop and present the three schools and their programs individually during the presentation. So to begin with, where are we? Y Schools is a French school, as you can tell from my accent probably. We are located, our main campus at least, in Troyes, which is located here, as you can see the big points. This is 90 minutes from Paris, southeast of Paris, in a region which is called Champagne, which you know from the wine probably, but it's actually quite a beautiful area with, of course, vineyards. And we have other campuses as well, namely in Charleville-Mézières, which is located near the Belgian border, and in Metz, which is near the German and Luxembourgish borders. Basically, if we talk about Troyes, you can see that we are very well located, close or at least never far from the big European cities, not to say capitals. For example, from Brussels is 3 hours away, London 4 hours, Milan 7 hours by train. And so it's easy to reach other big cities, big European cities from Troyes or from Charleville and Metz as it is. And that would be also an asset when you will be looking for internship opportunities or job opportunities. I will talk about this later. So Troyes, like I said, is located in the Champagne region. It's a very nice area and a very nice city. It is visited every year by 4 million tourists, so it's very attractive. And why is it so attractive? That's because, as you can see, it's a preserved area. So the city is medieval. Comes from it was founded in the Middle Ages, and you can still see these very typical houses with the wood on the front of them, a lot of historical buildings, and nearby, only some 20 minutes away from the city itself, you can go to the lake area, where of course you find lakes, but also forests. And this is a place where students, young people, families go for fresh air. They can go skating, rollerblading, sailing, as you can see. In the summertime, they go for barbecues and picnics. So it's a very friendly place to live. Our campuses are located, so the main campus, as you've understood already, is located in Troyes. But in Troyes itself, we have several campuses. We have a campus which is specific for the School of Design. You can see the picture at the top left corner. The School of Design is located in a former abbey, which is called Saint Martin. And the School of Design was implanted inside this abbey. At the bottom left corner, you can see here a building with a large court, let's say, and a big glass window. This is the new campus. It's called Brossolette because this is located on the Brossolette Avenue. And it hosts the School of Tourism and the School of Management. So I will now give you more details about each school and each program. And I will start with the South Champagne Business School. Usually we call it SCBS. We rarely use the long name for it. We shorten it to SCBS. So SCBS is a grande école. It's a reputed French business school. We have programs in French and in English, and we have undergraduate and postgraduate programs. So at the undergraduate program, we have a BBA, which is mainly taught in English, a GBM for Global Bachelor in Management, taught in French, We have the little sister of the GBM program, which is called in Yaoundé in Cameroon. That's our offshore campus, which is called BBM. And then at the postgraduate program, we have the MIM, Grande École degree, and the MSc ICE for innovation, creativity, and entrepreneurship. To begin with, I will explain in a few words what the Global Bachelor in Management prepares you for. So like I said, it's a French taught program. It lasts 3 years and it's a state degree. It teaches the foundations of management sciences, so business administration, accounting, finance, marketing, etc. As a state degree, it is recognized by the French Ministry of Higher Education. And during the 3 years of the program, you will have internships every year for 2 to 6 months, depending on the year. So the longest internship will be in the 3rd year, so that you will be building your professional experience just before you will be choosing either to go forward into a master's degree or to join the work market. In the 3rd and final year of the GBM program, you will be able to choose among 2 different majors, either sports management or commercial development. Now, moving to the International BBA for Bachelor in Business Administration, also a state degree, but this one is a 4-year degree because it's a degree with honors. So you will validate through the 4 years, at the end of the 4 years of the BBA, 240 ECTS credits. It's an international degree in a sense that international experience is a must in it during this program. So even as an international student coming to France, while you're here with us in the BBA, you will have to spend some time abroad again, either for internships or for an academic program. What I mean is, you will have to do internships abroad, and you will also have to go abroad in one of our partner universities. As you can see, we have 56 different partner universities just for this program. So you will be studying in these universities for 1 year, either as exchange students or for double degrees. The BBA program has partnerships with some of our universities, partner universities, for almost 30 international double degrees. So if you can see the details of the International BBA, so definitely year 1 is for foundations, of course, and then you will develop your skills and go abroad a 3rd time, this time for the internship, the placement. Year 3 is the year that you will be spending abroad, but in class at the partner universities. And in year 4, you will be choosing your major. And we have 3 majors at the BBA, either in finance, marketing, or human resources management. And then you will be finishing your experience as a student in the International BBA with a long internship for 6 months. And then it's up to you to enter the job market or to continue onto a master program. Now moving to the master programs, postgraduate programs at the School of Management, SCBS. To begin with, let me introduce you to the Master in Management, which we call the Programme Grande École. So it's definitely an academically excellence program. It is benefiting from the international accreditation EFMD, and it's a state degree. So students apply usually for a program that lasts 2 years, Master 1, Master 2. When they start the MIM, they will start in the Master 1, and they can choose between 3 different pathways. Either the international pathway that includes 1 semester abroad, or the France pathway, which consists in 2 semesters in class on our main campus in Troyes, or the Design Strategy and Management pathway, which is a pathway which is built in partnership with our School of Design. And this pathway is mainly taught in French. And then, if you choose the design strategy and management pathway, then you will be doing this pathway for 2 years. For the other pathways, international and French pathways, you will be joining the Master 2 level, and at the Master 2 level, you will be choosing your major. And we have 8 majors. It says 9 here, but because you can see as 9 majors, we include the design strategy management, the one that lasts 2 years. But as of Master 2, we have 8 other majors, including entrepreneurship and innovation, which I will develop later, event and sports management. We have specializations which are also available in the work study option. This is something that we can discuss later. It's quite specific for France higher education. It means that some programs are eligible for the students to be able to work and study at the same time. And in that case, they have to be in France for at least 1 year before they are eligible for this type of program. And the company they are working for during the program pays for the tuition fees. So it's very interesting because the students study and gain lots of professional experience at the same time. And it benefits both to the students and to the companies. So specializations which are also available in the work study option are audit and management control, marketing and international sales development, and digital marketing and social media. And we have 3 specializations which are only available in the work study option. And these specializations are global human resources management, supply chain management, and banking for business. I can give you more details about the majors and the types of program that are offered on my booth later. If you just stop by, I'll be happy to chat with you. For the moment, I'll be moving on to statistics. Usually students are very interested in statistics because it means a lot. Careers and opportunities after the MIM. So that's the key master program at SCBS. 94% of our students find a job in less than 6 months after graduation. So what's such a big number means is that we train our students to be professionally ready to join the job market as soon as they have graduated, and the professionals trust us. We have a lot of partner companies that trust the program we run and who are ready to employ our students right after graduation. The majority of our students work in France, but that's also because the majority of our students are French. Almost 1/4 of our graduates do work in other countries, which is really good when you consider that we have something like 400 international students on our campuses. I will get back to this later. Now moving to the MSc ICE. The MSc ICE is a very interesting program. It's fully taught in English. It's recognized by the Conférence des Grandes Écoles, and it's a program that you can join after a 4-year bachelor degree. And this program mixes up engineers, designers, and managers, so all together into the same program, and they are studying and working together to work on entrepreneurship projects, business projects, and innovative projects for companies. The program, it says here that it lasts 15 months. Well, actually, I would say that it rather lasts 12 to 13 months. Let's say you start in September and you will be done by the next September. It lasts 3 periods. The 2 first periods are dedicated to classes. So you will have business-oriented classes, engineering-oriented classes, and design-oriented classes. And the 3rd and final period is dedicated to the professional opportunity itself. The 3rd period, you can either choose to do an internship or be incubated into the local incubator. 60% of our graduates hold positions as business engineers or project managers. And 25% of our graduates decide to create their own company after the MSc ICE. It's a really good program, very international, and it builds up skills thanks to the fact that you will be meeting different profiles during the program. That's it for the School of Management. Now I'm moving to the School of Tourism, and I will be presenting its two programs, the Bachelor in Tourism Management and the MBA in Tourism Management. But first, you have to ask yourself, why would you be interested in studying tourism? So usually we realize that the kind of profiles that are interested in tourism are students who are keen on learning new languages, students who already know several languages, and who really want to develop the international scope of their profile, meaning that they want to travel, they want to meet different cultures, and they are very curious about what's going on beyond their own borders. The tourism industry is a very interesting industry because there are more than 400 different types of jobs that exist as part of the tourism industry. And these 400 plus job types represent more than 2 million job opportunities in the world. That's the tourism industry weighs more than, let's say, approximately 10% of the GDP. So that's definitely a big industry, and there's tourism everywhere in the world. And even this pandemic period hasn't totally frightened the tourism industry. It's an industry that can always evolve, and the School of Tourism is working on the evolution of the tourism industry. We have two campuses at the School of Tourism, one in Troyes, so I've already introduced you to the city of Troyes, and one in Metz. Metz, I showed you on the map earlier. It's located more to the east border of France, near Germany, Luxembourg, and it's the fourth city to be elected European Best Destination. So it's definitely a very nice place to live in. I would say just as much as Troyes is. And this is no wonder why we decided to implant the School of Tourism in Metz as well as in Troyes. The aim of the School of Tourism is to give you values, and then it's up to you to build up your own tourism profile. You will be transforming the values that we'll be sharing into your own skills. What we are definitely keen on evaluating is benevolence, the knowledge and the know-how. And we have the keys to develop your own professional network, because we have our own big network of professionals and tourism companies. And like I said earlier, we understand that the tourism industry is an industry that's always evolving, and this is why we are also innovative with our teaching techniques. The Bachelor in Tourism Management is a 3-year degree which is taught in French, and you can choose to study during year 1 and year 2, either in Troyes or in Metz. The first year is composed of 2 semesters of classes, and then for the second semester you will be spending 1 semester abroad and 1 semester in class in France. And the final year, year 3, is dedicated to the major. We have a choice of 3 different majors at the School of Tourism: Hotel and Restaurant Management, Development of Tourism Products and Services, and Wine Tourism. And there are internship opportunities every year. So 2 months in year 1, that's mandatory. 1 to 3 months in year 2, that's optional. Of course, if you can do it, please do it. The more experience you gain, the better it is for you. And the 5th month final internship in year 3. You will be awarded a Bachelor in Tourism Management, which is a state degree. And then you can move on either to the job market or to another, or continue into a master program. You can continue somewhere else. You can continue with us at Y Schools. And we have an MBA Tourism Management with 2 majors, 1 major in luxury tourism and 1 major in business tourism and event management. The second year, you will be doing a semester abroad in one of our partner universities. And again, each year you will be doing an internship, 1 to 3 months in year 1, 6 months in year 2. You've understood already that in every program that we offer, there's a strong will from the school to give you professional opportunities with internships mainly. Now moving to the School of Design. This is a very beautiful picture of the School of Design. I think this is the inner courtyard of the School of Design. Remember, I told you it's an old abbey. So we have 2 programs at the School of Design, the 3-year undergraduate program and then the 5-year postgraduate program. Actually, we will be working on 3 main aspects of design: visual communication design, product design, and space design. And the final objective of the School of Design, when you take the whole curriculum until the 5th year and final year, is to build up for you a profile as a designer manager. So the curriculum works this way. The first year is core courses. So you will be, whatever program you choose, 3 or 5 years, you will be doing core courses in the first year, learning to use the main tools of design. In the second year, you will be developing specific tools. So you will be starting to develop your own profile as a designer, depending on the type of family you are interested in: visual, products, tools, etc. And then in the third year, you will be finalizing your profile as a designer. After 3 years, you will be awarded with the undergraduate degree in graphic design, and that's all. That's your aim if you want to be a graphic designer, and then you can continue in the 4th and 5th year. Oh, there, I see that something is still written in French. Sorry about that. 4th year is giving you the strategic tools for design in company, and the professional experience, pure professional experience, will be given to you in the 5th year. Although every year, again, you will have internships, professional projects. One of the specificities of the School of Design is that although every single year of the curriculum, you will be put in contact with companies that will be giving you design projects. So you will always be working on real life projects in groups with your other classmates and for companies. So it's really real life implication for students into the activities of companies. Talking about companies, I couldn't put every logo of all the companies that either are partners or who are trusting us for temporary events or else, but these are a few examples of the companies that Y Schools works with. Honestly, it's more than 100 companies that are in our network, so it's totally impossible for us to at least for me, to put all the logos into one slide. But at least you can see that there are big names in every type of industry: tourism industry, Total for petrol industry and else, GL events for events as it is. So many different type of opportunities for you as a student. Talking about opportunities, now I've tried to select a few students' experiences. Of course, again, we have far too many alumni to to list everybody. But to give you some examples, Ivana, she graduated from the MBA Tourism Management last year, and she's now a commercial manager at the Little Prince Park. This is located in the east of France, in Alsace region in France. And to give you I don't know our curriculum, her CV by heart, but I think it's something like her third experience in this park, because she started as an intern and she had several positions in that park as an intern before she was actually employed. So she has a very nice opportunity there. The Little Prince Park is actually how do you say, a fun park. So it's really nice both for commercial opportunities and for event management. Vincent, he graduated from the Master Design Strategy, so the 5-year program at the School of Design in 2019, and is now a product designer in Brittany, so that's West Coast, the Brittany region, in Rennes Service Industry. Doncia, she graduated from the MIM in 2020. She is a purchasing assistant at the Other Gift, that's in Paris. And Hugo, MIM 2019, he founded his own company, which is called Sovomob. So it's a French company. Joining Y Schools will be for you an opportunity to join a very international environment. We have reached 2,000 students at the 2021 intake, and more than 400 international students. I told you that earlier. And these international students represent more than 40 different nationalities. So it's very nice for us to have so many different nationalities, because you will be sharing your culture and your experience in class, but also outside classes in daily life. And this is very important for you as a student. It will be a very enriching and personal experience. We have 200, even more, partner universities all around the world. You can see here all the countries in orange are the countries in which we have partner universities. It means that we receive students from these partner universities on campus, but also these countries are countries where you would be able to study abroad after for 1 semester or a double degree. Remember, I told you several times that as part of the programs that we offer, study abroad experience are required. And so these are all the opportunities which are offered to you to go abroad for an academic stay. Y Schools has several student associations. Of course, we have the usual sports union, students union, charity associations and all. But one association that you will be, I'm sure, that you will be meeting for sure is the ISN 3. ISN is the International Student Association. This is the association that takes care of students, international students, when they arrive in Troyes. They make sure that the international students are welcomed, integrated, and they organize parties, events, trips for international students. So you will be in touch with them for sure. You can join any student association that you feel like joining, depending on your interest and on the skills you want to develop with the association. A few pictures of the campus. So you can see top left, this is what we call the arena. It's the main biggest amphitheater on campus. It's circular, so everywhere you are anywhere you can be sitting, you will be able to see the professor and the screens. It's quite handy. At top middle picture, you can see that's one of the areas of the Y Lab. The Y Lab is the little name we give to the library. And on campus, there are a lot of areas like this where you can sit down with your classmates, just for coffee or just for a quick chat before a class starts. If you have to work in small groups, we have what we call bubbles that you can reserve, and you can sit there and work in groups. So you have many tiny infrastructures inside the main campus for your comfort. Here's at the top right corner a smaller amphitheater. Already it's quite big actually. Bottom left corner, this is the view of the campus in the autumn, so it's quite a recent picture. Bottom in the middle, this is what we call the street. It's the main hall of the campus, and it's so large, so wide that we sometimes, usually in the past, we used to organize gathering and events. It's quite handy as well because it's the main hall. It's easy to reach for everybody. So when we organize an event, everybody can, pass by at a certain time of the event and stop by and ask questions and all. It's and also because the roof is made of glass, then it's very there's a lot of light and it's really nice. Even when the weather is a bit rainy, it's still very light inside. And at the bottom right corner, you can see one of the workshops of the School of Design, located in the attic of the old Abbey, which is the building that's home for the School of Design. So I'm done with the presentation. I hope I was clear enough and not too long at the same time. These are my details, my contact details. You can send an email to the general email admissioninternationale@yschools.fr or to myself directly, stephanie.guglielmina@yschools.fr. If you want to call, then this is the main line, but this is also my direct phone number. You can use WhatsApp as well. I'm very happy to use WhatsApp if you prefer. So I'm done for now. I will now go back to a smaller screen. And if you have any question, just let me know. I will be happy to answer. You can have questions now, or if you're too shy to ask your questions now, you can come to my booth and we can organize a chat or a video call or whatever is more suitable for you. Thank you very much for listening. And again, don't hesitate.